Hello everyone, my name is Sir Paul Maynard and welcome to Pama Vision, a look back of how my week went. Okay, so last Thursday, well, it was almost Friday. It was 1 a.m. when I went to Sherwood and this happened. That day, I released a new video, or my comeback video, and this is how I am so overwhelmed about the comments, and yes, this happened. Because I stopped YouTube for a reason, and maybe I won't share it now, but I feel so overwhelmed of the feedbacks, and thank you, Ate Ann, Ate Joy, Ate Mapi, dahil pumapayag kayong ginaganang kayo. And today, I have decided, focus na tayo dito sa YouTube. Bawal na umawra, chos. Pwede rin naman sideline, pero I'm gonna continue what I'm loving is to entertain, and I should be professional about it, and I should not miss a schedule. Kahit minsan mahirap, pero tingnan natin kung kayaan natin, and alam ko rin naman maintindihan nyo kung bakit minsan nakakaskip ako ng day. Let's move on. Let's do this. Yeah! And yesterday, my high school friends were here, and we just had a great time, and we missed each other, so this happened. Hi, bud. Ano ginawa mo?
Pero mga sofa bed.
Ano ginagawa mo?
May sofa bed kasi nga.
Ayaw mag-focus. Ayaw mag-focus.
Pag sa'yo, ayaw mag-focus.
Ayan, no?
Okay naman ah.
Tang... May team ka talaga.
Kaya naman nung
Kanya sabon.
Kojisad.
God lang!
Kojisad.
Idadab nga daw siya.
Taka, bumili ka lang. Walang pambili. 50 lang yun, te.
Di ba 17 tatlo na yun? Hindi ka naman nag-online shop? Tama na, nailita na ako.
Bang, ganun! La, kamusta ka naman, La? Anong pagkain mo?
Thank you, ah! I'm dedicating this to my friends.
Isang ganon.
Hello, ayun ka na. Hello.
Yan po ako nadali.
Ay, ako? Ay.
Hallelujah.
Hela. Heaven. Anong color? Hi, Woody.
Nakita kayo people.
Napaka-evil.
And dancing in circles, it's good to be lonely. Up, down, it's what I beat around.
Parang siyang ano?
Let's bump down. I don't need eyes to see. I feel it. I still feel the flow. It wasn't love. It wasn't love. It was a perfect illusion. Mistaken for love. So yeah, I hope you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos like these, please subscribe for more videos. And follow me on Twitter at Sir Paul Maynard. Like my Facebook page, it's Sir Paul Maynard. And follow me on Snapchat, Sir Paul Maynard. Yes, I just woke up and now I'm filming. Haha, see you again in my next video. Bye!